That was it, guys. So this was literally a last minute session as there was a lot of rain forecast for the evening. We just threw some tackle into the box and headed out hoping to bend the back a bit. It has been a while since I last got to wet a line and I managed my PB Raggie on a grinder setup.
Punishing it! Testing out your neck! You see Sparrow just locks a drag? No, he locks drag. That's all he does. And he punishes. Gonna land this fish before you get it. Can't you see Sparrow? Yeah, it's on fire. It's on heat. Oh man, it's wrecking this fish. No, he's wrecking it.
Well, there were nice couple of spots along the way.
No, it's not massive, not at all.
Yeah, especially for a little oak like who's pulling it in so easy.
It's here! Yo, even me! You're a very brave man. Just lock drag on a Stella and you see what happens, eh? No, he's punishing it though. Yeah. No, these agents are alright, eh?
Yeah.
Sorry?
All your work sitting in the hook there, well done.
Yeah, you saw my work there. I think it's just realized that it's bruised, so you know what I mean? Like, it had to come in, you know? The drag locked this.
Ah,
Yeah, not fucking scared.
no, it's not 40 kg. Not more.
You know what? What's the target? That's all I needed to do. It's to go back on.
Yeah, it's a few kilos more than 40, but
Yeah, I've got 200.
but we've seen your work on a grinder now.
Yeah, he looks quite dangerous on this thing.
Yeah, he's dangerous.
He winds it.
No, he cranks this thing. He's dangerous.
One more on the line.
He's on the. May as well go in the water.
Are you pulling this on you, Warren? I don't know.
Right here. No, he's punished this fish long time ago.
Wait again now.
Now it's working up. In the wide water. Come back. Right in the shallows. Woo.
No, it's peeling line properly now. You damaged it there in the beginning, but it's deciding to fight back now. But yeah, you definitely punished it there in the start, eh? Seen your work now. Nice.
Not scared, chaps.
No, lock drag, not scared.
Yeah, no, it is there. Yes, this Steve's got it. I don't know if he's got it, but it's right in front of him.
No, it's a riot.